Some 600 million years ago, towards the end of the Proterozoic eon, just before the Cambrian era, the Ediacaran fauna, composed of soft-bodied, leaf and tube-shaped organisms, developed for almost 56 million years before suddenly disappearing. The reasons for this sudden disappearance remain an unsolved mystery to this day. However, traces of this fauna have been found all over the world. It was made up of primitive representatives of younger groups, essentially the Cnidarian phylum, soft and medusoid corals, annelids, segmented worms, and arthropods. One of the few survivors of this short period is the jellyfish,